Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your direct deposit with Wells Fargo, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update your direct deposit with Wells Fargo, start by visiting the Wells Fargo website. Log into your online banking account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, you can register for online access by clicking on the Enroll button. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section on the home page. Select Direct Deposits from the menu options available. You will see details about your current direct deposit settings. Click on the option to update direct deposit. You may need to enter your employer or payment provider's information. Make sure to have your new account details handy. Enter your new checking or savings account number. Input the routing number associated with your new account. Review your personal details to ensure they are correct. Once everything looks accurate, click the Submit button to save your changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your update was successful. Check with your employer or payment provider to confirm they have the updated information. Keep an eye on your next paycheck or payment to ensure it has been deposited into the new account. If you face any issues, contact Wells Fargo customer service for assistance. Updating your direct deposit is essential for ensuring timely payments. Make sure to perform this update well in advance of your next payroll cycle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.